All right! You ever just gotta have that tool that's one step ahead of the next guy? Or gal? Well, check out this cool tool.
Yeehaw! Another segment for Pappy's Corner coming up.
You probably already have one of these circuit testers in your toolbox. And this is a 6 to 12 volt circuit tester where it comes with this cord for the ground. And you just ground that off onto something, you know, the frame, or in this case I put it on the negative side of the battery. And when you touch this on anything that has any current going through it, any voltage, it'll light up like that, okay? So here is a cool tool. It is the K tool. K for cool, right? K Tool XD, part number KTI-XDCHT504. This is a circuit tester and no cord. You use your body as the ground or connection to complete the circuit. So I'll take this cover off here. Let's take another closer look at it, or a better closer look at it. There it is. Comes with a nice clip so it doesn't fall out of your pocket. Protective cover here on the end. Has this little sleeve on here. Pull it off, see there? Protective sleeve. That's so you don't put it in something that may complete a current through there. So yeah, this is a cool tool. Show you how it works. Pull the cap off here, and there's your tip. And I'm going to stick this on the positive side of the battery cable terminal. I'll complete the circuit here on the negative, and you can see it beeps in a red light right there. So if I touch any metal on the car, it completes the circuit. Red light. How awesome is that? Well, it's a little bit more awesome if you touch it to the negative side and complete the circuit. It's a green light. That lets you know that it is a negative connection. It's not a hot connection like the red side. A little louder too, isn't it? Okay, well, be one step ahead of the next guy with a K Tool International. That's the company apparently. K Tool International. The K Tool XD. And remember, do something nice for someone today. Love ya.